I have made 30 affiliate marketing videos. I have spent months showing every single week. I documented a full 30-day challenge on this channel completely honestly, and I have not made a single commission yet. Most people will quit at this point. I am not most people. In this video, I'm going to be completely transparent about what I got wrong over the last 30 videos and exactly what I am changing right now to finally get that first commission. No theory, no guesswork, real specific changes based on real data from my own channel. If you have been trying affiliate marketing and getting zero results, this video is going to show you that you're not alone. And more importantly, it is going to show you exactly what to do differently. My name is Francis. I work a full-time job. I am building affiliate marketing income on the side. This channel documents the real journey, including the parts that were not working yet. Today I am starting phase 2. Let's get into it. Now what I got wrong. Mistake 1. Focusing on views instead of buyer. The first thing I got wrong over the last 30 videos, and this one took me the longest to understand, is that I was focused on getting views instead of attracting buyers. There is a massive difference between those two things. A view is anyone who clicked your video. A buyer is someone who is actively looking for a solution to a problem and is ready to invest in fixing it. And for affiliate marketing, only one of those two people is ever going to click your link and buy something. Looking back at my content, I was making videos for people who are curious about affiliate marketing, not for people who are ready to take action on affiliate marketing. And curious people watch videos, ready people buy things. Going forward, every single video I made is going to be specifically designed for someone who is ready to take action, not just someone who wants to learn about it passively. Mistake 2. Not having a clear content to commission path. The second thing I got wrong is that I never built a clear path from my content to my affiliate offer. Here is what I mean. Someone watched one of my videos, they enjoy it, they learn something, and then what? Where do they go next? What action do I want them to take? What problem of theirs does my affiliate offer directly solve? For the first 30 videos, I never answered those questions clearly enough. My call to action were weak, my lead machine were too casual, and my content was not specifically designed to lead someone naturally toward the product I was promoting. Going forward, every single video I made is going to have one clear purpose: educate the viewer on a specific problem, show them I understand that problem deeply, and then present my affiliate offer as the natural solution to that exact problem. That is the content to commission part I was missing. Mistake 3. Not targeting buyer intent keywords. The third thing I got wrong is that most of my videos titles were targeting the wrong keywords. I was targeting keywords like how to start affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing tips for beginner. And those keywords bring in people who are just starting to explore the topic, people who are months away from buying anything. Buyer intent keywords are completely different. They are things like best affiliate marketing course for beginners, Invincible marketer review, is affiliate marketing worth it in 2026, and how to make money with affiliate marketing fast. These are keywords that people type when they are close to making a decision, not when they're just getting curious. Going forward, I was targeting buyer intent keywords in every single video I made because the right viewers someone is ready to buy is worth 100 casual viewers who are just browsing. Now what I am doing differently, the phase 2 strategy. Here is exactly what phase 2 of my affiliate marketing journey looks like and what I am changing immediately. First, every video I made going forward targets a buyer intent keyword, not a curiosity keyword, a buyer keyword. Second, every video has a clear and specific call to action that connects the problem. I just talk about directly to the product I am promoting. No more vague link in the description, a specific reason why this product solves this exact problem. Third, I am going deeper on the Invincible marketer specifically. Instead of mentioning it softly in every video, I am going to make dedicated review videos, comparison videos, and results videos that targets people who are actively researching this product before buying. Fourth, I am going to be even more honest and specific about my own journey because the most powerful content I made in phase 1 was always the content where I share my real number and my real struggle. Phase 2 is going to have more of that, not less. 4 changes starting today. Here is my commitment to you for phase 2. I am not stopping until I made that first commission, not after 20 more videos, not after another 30-day challenge. I am staying on this channel, posting every single week, applying everything I learned in phase 1 until the commission comes. And when it does, and it will, I am going to make the most detailed honest video about exactly what finally works. Every step, every change, every decision that led to that first sales. That video is coming. I do not know exactly when, but it is coming. And I want you to be subscribed when it does. The one structure system I am doubling down on in phase 2 because I genuinely believe it is the right foundation for what I am building is linked in the description below. It is what I personally use and what I am continuing to follow going forward. Check it out when you're ready, no pressure at all. So here is the honest summary. 30 videos, 0 commission, and a complete clear picture of exactly what I got wrong and what I am changing right now. I got wrong focusing on views instead of buyer, not having a clear content to commission path, and targeting curiosity keyword instead of buyer intent keywords. What I am changing, buyer intent keywords on every video, clear specific call to action, deeper focus on the product I promote, and even more honest about my real journey. Phase 1 build the foundation, phase 2 build the income. I am Francis. I post every single week. Subscribe and hit the bell icon because phase 2 start right now and you do not want to miss what happened next. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you made your first affiliate commission yet? Yes or no, I read every single comment and I will reply to you personally. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.